magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips, some steps away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no worries, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free, in these sweet moments, just being me. Everything's a peaceful end. Start slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. There's a little magic in
Ya, Temon biar dia pulang ke rumahnya lah ya. Dia stres nggak mau diam. Adik pegang, adik lepas sana kita.
my coffee.
Pelan bismillah, mudah-mudahan
It's just
begini.
the afternoon
Habis
light,
ini
in
nanti
the simple
tutup.
joy,
Tapi
everything
dikit
feels
tangan
right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet
Udah.
moments, just being me.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Temon. Ya, langsung laju.